Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Katrina, and on today's video I'm going to be taking you guys through how I actually what a wash day would look like for me if I am preparing myself to actually press my hair. This is the final look right here. Perfectly straightened and pressed hair that's going to withstand humidity. This should last you a good 2 weeks. I'm going to be going into the details, so if you're interested, just stay tuned. Okay, so starting off my wash day routine, of course, we need to shampoo and condition. So what I've been using for a few months now is the Monday Moisture shampoo and also the matching conditioner. And sorry if there's like, I don't know, I guess like there's like sticky stuff from the sticker. So that's what I've been using on my hair. I really love it actually. It's a really cute bottle, but it does give my hair a lot of slip and it has really good ingredients. I actually really like it. And it's also what I use on my daughter, who also has curly hair, but her hair is thicker and kinkier and all of that. So after that, I follow up with the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Protein Power treatment. And this is really important. I feel like when you're about to press your hair, you really need to make sure that your hair is primed and ready before you do it. And I've been using this for a long time. It's just about almost finished. And this conditioner, it says to leave it on the hair for 10 to 15 minutes. So once I shampoo and condition my hair, I'll actually comb my hair all the way through with the same brush that I've been mentioning in my videos, which is the Hair Edit brush. I'm not sure what the name is, but I'll leave the link down below in case you're interested in checking it out. But I'll go ahead and comb it through my entire hair to make sure that it's coating every strand, and then I will tie it up using a hair tie or a claw clip to make sure that it's up and out of the way, and I'll just finish my shower routine. And by that time, 10 to 15 minutes has passed. I'll rinse it out completely thoroughly, and then we're here at this point. And so from here, I'm actually going to use the Kenra Daily Provision Leave-In Conditioner. I've been using this for some months now, if not, like, I want to say actually it's been a year since I've started using this. And it's just a spray leave-in, and I'll just spray this all over my hair on half of it. Comb it out. And then repeat on the opposite side. This leave-in conditioner, it says that it's a lightweight leave-in spray conditioner, perfect for every hair type and texture. It hydrates, detangles, and adds shine while preventing breakage and split ends. Spray throughout damp or dry hair in sections. Comb through to ends. Style with products as usual. Okay, so sorry, I had to put my hoodie on because it's getting chilly. So now that I have my hair with the leave-in conditioner, I'll actually go ahead and put up half of my hair, and I'll just have a claw clip so I could put half of my hair up. If you have thicker, kinkier hair like my daughter's, you'll probably have to put your hair up. Not probably, you'll have to put your hair up into 4. So I would just, separate this half of your hair into 2 like this and section this one back and start with the front. But this should be fine. Then I'm gonna go in with my thermal protectant. This is the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray Advanced Dry Thermal Protectant. It says this blow dry spray dramatically reduces blow dry time up to 50%, provides intense thermal defense up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, and resists humidity for up to 20 hours. This lightweight formulation detangles, smooths, and increases shine. And so I've been using this for years now. And so I'll just go through and spray this. And all of the Kenra products smell really good. I'll just go through and spray that throughout my hair and then comb my hair out to make sure that it's evenly distributed throughout before I actually turn my blow dryer on. Now, I feel like every good press starts with a really good blow dry. So I would highly recommend you get an ionic blow dryer. That really helps with like reducing static inside the hair. The one that I'm using is a Conair, and I can't remember the exact name of it, but I'll leave a link to it down below. I think it came with this diffuser attachment on it, and you just clip it on there. As you can see, I have some of the teeth missing. I think that's just due to the heat that it endures. But yes, that's what we're working with right now. So I have this on warm, and I'm going to put it on high, and I'm just going to comb through my hair, and I'm just going to keep combing through it until it's dry and completely stretched, I guess is what we're going for. So I'm just going to probably put some music over this, and you guys can see how the process goes. Stretched and dried. You'll want to keep on going through your hair with the blow dryer until it's as smooth as you can get it. I'm just going to take this half of my hair and actually put it in a bun to further help it to smooth down in preparation for the press. And I'll repeat these steps on the opposite side. And so I'll come back once my entire head is done. Okay, y'all, so now that my hair is completely blown out, and I guess I'll go ahead and let this one go too, just so you guys can kind of see what we're working with. I have a lot of hair, and I mean, I feel like most curly girls do, so this is what we're looking like right now at the moment. And blowing the hair out really creates a really nice base for when you're about to straighten your hair. The pressing portion of the styling part should be pretty easy. And so what you're gonna need is some of these duck bill clips. I think that's what they're called. Some of these clips so that you can actually like part your hair. I'm going to leave half of my hair clipped up and just focus on this half for now. And then so from here, I'm just going to clip this top portion up. I'm the type of person that I like to do the bottom of my hair first. That didn't clip. Okay, let's try that again. So I'm going to take the half of this top portion. I'm going to take the top half portion of this side and clip it up. And we're just going to focus on this bottom part. You can go ahead and like make yourself a snack, make yourself a drink, put on a show, because we're going to just be pressing this hair and then we'll just be moving throughout the sections. From here, I would just section a small part of my hair, like a 1-inch section of my hair, and I would just take this entire section, get one of those clips we talked about, and just clip that hair to the side, and this is where we would be starting at. Okay, and then so from there, you're gonna just need a brush. You can use a bristle brush like this one or a Denman brush. I usually just use my Denman brush. Take the brush and comb your section out. You're gonna do what's called the chasing method. And so you'll just take the hair into the brush like this, and you'll put the flat iron behind here. This is something that I actually learned from one of my best friend's sisters. She's a professional hair stylist a long time ago. I'm using the Paul Mitchell Pro Tools Express Ion Smooth Plus flat iron. I've literally had this flat iron for probably like 8 years. I've had it since I started my YouTube channel. I have this set to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So in terms of the temperature, I would start low and then work yourself up if you feel like your hair could use some extra heat, and if your hair can actually accept that much heat without being damaged. So definitely start low. If it's your first time, I would start probably like 390 and work your way up afterwards. If you feel like, okay, my hair came out decent, I could probably use a higher heat next time if I want it smoother, flatter, more pressed and all of that. And if I washed my hair and my curls look fine, then at that point you can assess like, okay, yeah, I think I could put it up. So put it maybe 395, 400 and work your way up from there. So I'm going to do one section for you guys just so that you can see. I have it in the brush. I'm going to bring the flat iron as close to my roots as possible and come here for a few times at the root, and then I'll just follow the brush down. And if you notice some steam, don't feel alarmed. That is just the hair product you already have in your hair evaporating as it reacts with that heat. That's not something that I'm making up. That's something that I have been told by professional hairstylists. Okay, so that is how one section looks already, looking really sleek, really flat, really tamed. And that's all I'm going to do for that section. I'm just going to put it behind here. I'm going to undo this section up here and pull out another small section. I'm going to turn the camera off so that I can just enjoy this process of styling my hair. And this is like a self-care, self-love sort of moment for me. I enjoy doing my hair. I enjoy beautifying myself. And so I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off, and I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like once I have half of my hair done, to just update you guys, and we'll just continue on from there. Okay, so I forgot to mention, so before I continue on, you're going to want to use some sort of serum for this pressing part. I use the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. It says it's a silky smooth, humidity resistant serum, and that's going to be a theme you'll notice throughout this whole process. I just put a very small, tiny amount like that, and I just rub my hands together and spread it throughout the entire section that I am straightening. And then from there, you'll go ahead and do what we talked about. Grab a section the other part off, and then go ahead and flat iron as usual. I wanted to make sure that I come on here and don't forget to mention that part. I do always use a serum before I actually press it, in addition to the blow dry heat protectant. And so this is what I use. And so we're going to continue on. This is what I have so far. And I am running a timer so that I can give you guys an estimate of how long all of this takes, because that's one of my number one questions I get is, how long did it take for you to do this? And so I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, y'all, so half of my hair is done. This is how she's looking. My watch is going. This is upside down. And half of my hair is already done. So I'm going to stop that timer, reset it, And I'm going to start it again for this side, see how long it takes for this. And then we'll see like total how long it takes for me to actually finish pressing my entire head of hair. Looks so good. And this is totally a vibe. Like, these products are my favorite. I'm only sharing it because it is like tried and true, the products that I love, that I've been using for years now. So yeah, I will come back once we're done with this side and update you guys then. Okay, so that is 18 minutes. Let me see if I can get that up there for y'all to see. 18 minutes to do the other side of my hair. So this took me literally less than 45 minutes. I've just been watching a show while I do it. I baked some cookies and I'm about to eat that now, just to give you guys a good look at the final look. Usually I'll give this a little bump, a little curl. So make sure that you follow, like, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this to see how I do my hair and just want more information, some advice, etc., leave your questions below and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.